with the courage to take the very first step. Good morning, Nosegay. We, the student of class 5G, going to present our annual function on the topic A Journey of 1,000 Miles Begins with a Single Step. This line teaches us a very important lesson in our life. No matter how big our dreams are, they always start with a small beginning. Every success we see around us is the result of small steps taken with courage and determination. Sometimes we feel afraid to start something new. We think the goal is too far or too difficult. But this card reminds us that we don't need to worry about the whole journey. We just need to take that first step with confidence. So let us promise ourselves today we will not be afraid to begin. We will take that first step towards our dreams with confidence and positivity. Before moving further, we will also thank to parents, guardians and families who have joined us today. Their presence means a lot to us. This annual presentation will showcase the hard work, creativity and growth of the students of our class. Your involvement plays an important role in the motivation and encouragement of our today's performers. So let's carry the excitement and positivity forward and make the day special and memorable. Thank you and have a wonderful day. A day without prayer is a day without blessing. Through prayer we find strength for today and hope for tomorrow. So I request all of you to please stand up and get ready for Guru Rabindranath Tagore inspiring poem. Put your right hand on your left shoulder and start. Where the mind is without fear. Where the mind is without fear. And the head is held high. And the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been. Where the world has not been. Broken up into pieces. Broken up into pieces. By narrow domestic walls. Where the words come out from the depth of truth. Where the words come out from the depth of truth. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Into ever-widening thought and action. Into ever-widening thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom. Into that heaven of freedom. My Father. My Father. Let my country awake. Every day beginning starts with the first step thought. So let's begin with the thought of the day. Thought of the day. A small beginning is the foundation of every great success. I repeat my thought. A small beginning is the foundation of every great success. Thank you and have a thoughtful day. Poetry has the power to touch our hearts and inspire our minds. Now get ready to enjoy a wonderful English poem. It doesn't start with leaves so white or reaching peaks in a single sight. It begins so small we hardly see a quiet step, just you and me. The road is long, the path unknown. With twists and turns we have never shown. But fear will fade and strength will grow the moment you decide to go. No dream is far, no goal to see. If faith is strong and effort deep. So life's today be bold, be wise. Let courage shine within your eyes. For every journey, big or small, begins with one step, that's all. For every journey, big or small, begins with one step, that's all. Thank you. छोटे छोटे कदम ही बड़े सपनों की नींव रखते हैं। जब हम पहला कदम उठाते हैं तभी हमारे अंदर आत्मविश्वास जगता है और वही आत्मविश्वास हमें आगे बढ़ने की ताकत देता है। इसी विचार को सुंदर शब्दों में पिरोती हुई हमारी कक्षा आपके सामने एक सुंदर कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही है जिसका शीर्षक है पहला कदम। चलना है अगर दूर हमें तो पहला कदम बढ़ाना होगा। छोटे छोटे beautiful saying, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. It teaches us that every big achievement starts from a small beginning. We should not be afraid to take the first step in life. Even the longest journey becomes possible when we start with courage. Many times we feel that our goals are too big and difficult. Because of this, we delay starting our work, but this thing reminds us that we just need to begin. Once we take the first step, the rest becomes easier. In our daily life, we can see many examples of this same. When we start learning something new, writing or reading, it feels difficult at first, but with small steps and practice, we improve slowly. This is how we achieve success in life. This flow also teaches us the importance of patience. We cannot reach our goal in one day. We have to move step by step with dedication. Even slow progress is good. If we keep moving forward, patience helps us complete our journey. As students, we should follow this lesson in our study. Instead of feeling afraid of big chapters, we should start studying little by little. Regular practice and small efforts can bring great results. This helps us become great, confident learners. Sometimes we are scared of making mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning. When we take first step, we may fail, but we also learn. We should not give up because of fear. Trying again makes us stronger. Every successful person in the world once started as a beginner. They did not reach success in one day. They worked hard and moved forward step by step. Their journey teaches us to never stop trying. Success comes with effort. This thought also tells us that dreams need action. Just thinking about success is not enough. We must start working towards our goal. The first step shows our courage and determination. Action is the key to success. Consistency is very important in every journey. If we take one small step every day, we can achieve big goals. Regular efforts bring improvement. We should never stop learning and growing. Growing small steps create big success. We should always set small and simple goals first. After achieving them, we can move to bigger goals. This makes our journey easy and enjoyable. Planning helps us succeed. Confidence plays an important role in taking the first step. If we believe in ourselves, we can do anything. Self-confidence gives us the power to move forward. This concept is not only for studies, but also for good habits. Small good actions like helping others, speaking kindly, make a big difference. Small steps create a better society. Every good action matters. Time is very precious in your life. If we delay starting our work, we waste valuable time. We should use our time wisely. A good start leads to a good result. In sports, this lesson is very useful. Players practice daily with their small efforts. Slowly they improve their skills and become a champions. Success comes in sports with regular practice. We should not compare our journey with others. Everyone moves at a different speed. But it is important that we keep moving forward. Our focus should be on our own progress. Step by step, we can reach our goal. Teachers play an important role in journey. Yes, they help us take the right step in life. With their support, our journey becomes easier. We should listen to their advice carefully. They show us the right path. Parents also support in every step of our journey. They encourage us to do our best. Their love and guidance give us strength. We should respect their efforts. Failures are also a part of our journey. They teach us important lessons and make us strong. We should not stop after failures instead. We should start again with more confidence. Sometimes we wait for the right time to start something, but truth is the right time never comes on its own. We have to create right time by taking action. Starting now is always better than waiting. Taking the first step also builds discipline in our life. When we start doing our work regularly, it becomes a habit. Good habit leads to a successful future. Discipline helps us stay focused on our goals. Starting something new also increases our knowledge and experience. Even if we do not succeed at first, we learn something valuable. Learning from experience makes us wiser and better. Small step also teaches us the importance of effort. Without effort, success is not possible. Every small effort adds value to our journey. Hard work always brings positive results. Sometimes fun from friends makes it easier to start. When we work together, we feel motivated and confident. Teamwork helps us achieve our goals faster together. We can do better. Celebrating small achievements is also important. It keeps us happy and motivated. Every small success gives us energy to move forward. It makes our journey enjoyable. We should always be positive while starting something new. A positive mindset removes fear and doubt. It helps us focus on our goal. Positivity makes our journey smooth. In conclusion, this concept teaches us a very important life lesson. No matter how big our goal is, we must start with small steps. Courage, patience, and hard work helps us to succeed. Let us always remember to begin without fear because every great journey starts with a small step. Thank you. We all have big dreams, but often we hesitate to begin. This script beautifully shows that success starts when we take the first step with courage. Let's watch and learn from this inspiring performance. Today we present a skit on the topic of a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Many of us are afraid to take the first step. Let us see what happens when we don't start and how life changes when we finally begin. Scene 1 at home. Rohan, your exams are near. Why are you not studying?
Mom, the syllabus is too big, I cannot do it.
Start with one separately.
It is too difficult, I will do it tomorrow.
Tomorrow never comes by starting today. I believe in you, Rohan. Just take the first step today.
Alright, Mom, I will try to start.
Scene 2 and the class. Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Have you completed your homework?
Yes, ma'am. I read it step by step.
I also practice daily. Very good. Rohan, what about you?
No, ma'am, I could not do it.
Why, Rohan? Did you try to start?
Ma'am, it looked too difficult.
Tell me, students, is any big work easy at the beginning?
Oh, ma'am. Ma'am, even I felt it was hard at first.
It becomes easier. Big work becomes easy when you start attempting in small portions.
Rohan, why are you scared to start? I feel I cannot finish it.
Nobody finishes everything in one day.
We started these small steps.
No stepping to success. Yes, they are right, Rohan. Students, today I want to tell you something very important. You all feel that studies or goals are difficult, but let me show you some real life examples. I will introduce you to some great personalities like APJ Abdul Kalam, B.R. Ambedkar, MS Dhoni, Kalpana Chawla, and Thomas Edison. They were not born successful. They also faced struggles, failures, and difficulties just like you. But do you know what made them great? They all started with one single step. Today I will show you their journey and you will learn how a small beginning can change your life. Entry APJ Abdul Kalam.
I am APJ Abdul Kalam. I came from a simple family, but I never stopped dreaming. Small steps every day made me strong. I sold newspapers in my childhood to support my family. That was my first step towards responsibility.
Entry MS Dhoni. I am MS Dhoni. I was a ticket collector, but I practice every day. Step by step, I become a teacher. educator. And tell Kalpana Chawla. I am Kalpana Chawla. I came from a small town, but I lived this car. Your first step decides your future. My first step was studying hard in school and choosing aeronautical engineering despite challenges. And the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. I am B.R. Ambedkar. I faced many problems in life, but education became my power. Never stopped learning, even without proper facilities. I continued my studies. That was my first step towards change. Henry Thomas Edison.
I am Thomas Alva Edison. I failed many times, but I never quit. Success comes after multiple efforts. My first step was experimenting again and again, even after repeated failures. Man, I am sorry. I kept thinking that the work is too big. But today I understood that all these great people, once beginners like me, they also faced problems, but they took first step. Now I will start today and keep moving forward step by step.
Very good, Rohan. I am proud of you.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So always start today because the first step creates your future. Thank you.
Music says what the heart feels. Let's enjoy an instrumental performance.
आज हम सब एक ऐसी कहानी बना है जो हम सबकी जिंदगी से जुड़ी है। हम सब बड़े सपने देखते हैं, पहला कदम बढ़ाने को करते हैं। तो आइए देखिए कैसे एक छोटा सा कदम बदल सकता है हमारी पूरी जिंदगी। प्रस्तुत है हमारा नुक्कड़ नाटक पहला कदम।
आलस छोड़ो, काम करो। गोल गोल सफलता मिलती है गोल, सफलता मिलती है गोल से, सफलता मिलती है गोल से। हजारों मील की लंबी चाल, हजारों मील की लंबी चाल, पहला कदम ही असली कमाल, पहला कदम ही असली कमाल। असली कमाल भाई असली कमाल, असली कमाल भाई असली कमाल, पहला कदम ही असली कमाल, पहला कदम ही असली कमाल, असली कमाल भाई असली कमाल। आज से शुरू, अब से शुरू, आज से शुरू, अब से शुरू, अभी से शुरू भाई अभी से शुरू, अभी से शुरू भाई अभी से शुरू, अभी से शुरू भाई अभी से शुरू, अभी से शुरू, अभी से शुरू भाई अभी से शुरू। छोटा कदम बड़ी उड़ान, छोटा कदम बड़ी उड़ान, छोटा कदम बड़ी उड़ान। आज की मेहनत कल की पहचान, आज की मेहनत कल की पहचान, आज की मेहनत कल की पहचान। जो आज बढ़ा वही आगे बढ़ा, जो आज बढ़ा वही आगे बढ़ा। पहला कदम ही सफलता की शुरुआत है, पहला कदम ही सफलता की शुरुआत है। दोस्तों, कल कभी नहीं आता, जो करना है वो आज से ही शुरू होता है। तो फैसला आपके हाथ में, क्या कल तक का इंतजार करेंगे या आज से ही शुरू करेंगे? सोचो और पहला कदम बढ़ाओ, पहला कदम बढ़ाइए, 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 पहला कदम बढ़ाइए। This beautiful poem reminds us that true strength comes from within and every journey begins with courage. Now, let's enjoy an English poem. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one small step. No need to fear, no need to rush, just move ahead, don't stop. The road may look a little long, sometimes hard to see, but if you keep on going strong, you will be where you should be. Step by step we learn each day, growing as we go. With every wall we rise again and reach high and low. Dream big, dreams and start today. Do not wait for the right time. Every effort that you make will help your future shine. So take a step with courage now. Believe in what you do. 1,000 miles may seem so far, but it begins with you. 1,000 miles may seem so far, but it begins with you. Thank you. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। ये पंक्तियाँ हमें साहस और निरंतर प्रयास का संदेश देती हैं। जीवन में मुश्किलें और चुनौतियाँ तो आती ही रहती हैं, लेकिन सफलता उन्हीं को मिलती है जो हर डर का सामना करते हैं और बार बार कोशिश करते रहते हैं। इसी प्रेरणादायक विचार को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हमारी कक्षा के कुछ विद्यार्थी आपके सामने एक सुंदर कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका शीर्षक है लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती। लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नन्ही सीटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में सांस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना करता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो। असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो। क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो, क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। धन्यवाद। Grace reveals the beauty beyond glitters and shows the true strength within. Now, a few students of our class are going to present a beautiful classical dance performance. चलते 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 मुझे कोई मिल गया था, मुझे कोई मिल गया था। चलते 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 वही थमके रह गई है, वही थमके रह गई है मेरी रात ढलते ढलते, मेरी रात ढलते ढलते।
True joy comes not from showing off, but from expressing ourselves with honesty and passion. Now, some students of our class are going to present an energetic group dance.
जोड़ना है तुझे ऊंचा, परों को खोल के रख, कसौटी वक्त की है, हौसलों को तोल के रख।
अभी आवाज है तेरा, अब कुछ सीखना है, कमर कसनी अभी बाकी है, मुट्ठी खींचना है। अभी आवाज है तेरा, बहुत कुछ सीखना है, ना खुद नहीं तकदीर अपने हाथ से मैं रगों में खून के संग इस जुल्म को खोल के रख कसौटी वक्त की है मौसलों को खोल के रख जोड़ना है तुझे क्या परों को खोल के रख कसौटी वक्त की है मौसलों को खोल के रख जोड़ना है तुझे क्या परों को खोल के रख
लहरों से लड़कर कोशिश करो